Welcome to Bottest, the leading software automation testing tool. Discover key advances in the field of software development and testing, along with the emergence of an exceptional solution. Let's learn about Bottest. Today, in the software development industry, developing products using AI, ChatGPT to replace coding, to make sure business is always right. Test is increasingly occupying a high proportion in the software industry. Therefore, automating the test process and integrating test into CI or CD is a necessity. Paracel provides automation test solution to help businesses develop software as well as maintain and operate the system, saving costs and time for testing. Bottest provides outstanding features, easy to use for all CA or QC objects because Bottest does not require coding skills in performing automation test. For development stage, unit test, function test, integration test. For testing for CA or QC, functional test, regression test, integration test, system test, user test. For production environment, user test, smoke test. To get a software product from the developer to the user, we need many different testing steps on many different scenarios, environments, countries, and devices. And Bottest has appeared as a comprehensive solution, helping us to fulfill all these requirements efficiently. To start, we will choose an existing system, be it an application or a website, and we have some functionality that we would like to develop further. It is important that we want to make sure that existing functions are not affected and that they work as expected. With Bottest, the process is simpler than ever. You just need to record the scenario for those functions. All records will be saved into scenarios on Bottest and provided for development, CA or QC stages and can be used as a condition for product acceptance. Let's say you're in the early stages of development. You can use Bottest together with your project programming implementation. Bottest allows you to define your design into basic items. From there, Bottest can automatically generate test cases. You can easily define test data for each use case. These data can be copied and edited to create a variety of scenarios. This, in Bottest, only takes 1 minute. For projects in development, it may be difficult for you to have a complete development environment to generate test data and test cases. However, with Bottest, this can be done before, during, and after the code. This gives great flexibility to your development and testing process. Most of you think applying automation testing is hard because lifecycle changes over different sprints. Suppose you use Selenium for automation. Then maintaining test cases written in code costs as much as development costs. However, with Bottest, every design and test scenario has been presented scientifically, so editing test case and data to match the new design is easy and fast. What Bottest saves on QC costs will be very surprising when you use it. We tested the Bottest on a project with 1,000 test scenarios, equivalent to 50 screens. How much effort do you think if you use other tools or manual testing? How much effort will you spend on the whole process? With Bottest, we only spend 2 people in 1 month to do it, about 25 test cases and 40 man-day. The above is just an example of a project we did with a Japanese client. Currently, many projects developed for our Japanese, Korean, and American clients all apply automation test as a requirement in the development process. Bottest brings a host of outstanding features. Automatically define UI on screen, help with test data management, help with test case management, create test cases using Bottest Chrome extension, automated test execution, automated test report. Statistics about Bottest: reduce 99% of test execution effort, 99% reduction in test execution time, 99% reduction in test report generation time, 80% of testing can be automated, can generate 15-unit test case samples, can view quality status instantly, no programming skills required. It's an overview of Bottest and how it can help you to perform software testing more easily and efficiently. If you are interested or would like more information, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching this video.